Did you hear? I'm diving deep into the 5 most common lies about Instagram earning strategies, and I'll test them to see if I can debunk them all. Misinformation can lead to content creators down the wrong path to making money on Instagram. That's why it's crucial to separate fact from fiction to get to the truth about what works. One of the problems is that people are often led to believe that earning on Instagram is easy, that all you need to do is post some pretty pictures and the money will just start rolling in. But the reality is that making a living on Instagram requires hard work, dedication, and a deep understanding of how the platform works. There are so many misconceptions about what it takes to be successful on Instagram. From thinking that having 1 million followers is all that you need to make a full-time income, or believe that affiliate marketing is a game. These misconceptions can be damaging because they set people up for disappointment and failure. They can also lead to a lack of motivation and frustration when things work out differently than they planned. Some people also believe that Instagram is only for influencers and that you can only make it on the platform if you have a particular appeal. Others think that you need to have a huge following to make any real money, or that you need to post consistently to keep your audience engaged. However, the truth is that anyone can make money on Instagram, regardless of their niche or following, as long as they clearly understand their audience and have a solid strategy. One of the damaging misconceptions is that making money on Instagram is a quick fix, that you can post some sponsored content and watch the cash start rolling in again. But the reality is that earning on Instagram takes time, effort, and persistence. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not something that will happen overnight. So let's dive into each of the 5 common lies and provide some insight and evidence to debunk them. Lie number 1, you need 1 million followers to earn a full-time on Instagram. This is not true. I know plenty of people making a full-time income with fewer than 10,000 followers. Your engagement rate and ability to convert your followers into customers are more important than your number of followers. The second lie is affiliate marketing is a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm happy to debunk this myth. While affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn on Instagram, it takes time and effort. Building a loyal audience and finding high-quality products that resonate with them takes time, effort, and finding the right affiliate program. And learning how to promote them effectively takes a lot of trial and error. Lie number 3 is that you must post consistently to keep your audience engaged. This is a common misconception that can lead to burnout and exhaustion. While consistency is essential, posting a day on the platform is unnecessary to keep your audience engaged. What's more important is creating high quality content that resonates with the audience and encourages them to take their action. The fourth is the making money on Instagram is only for influencers. This is a huge myth, and I'm happy to debunk it. While most influencers have an easy time making money on Instagram, anyone can earn on the platform regardless of their niche or audience. Your ability to create high quality, engage with the audience is more crucial than your platform or your looks. Fifth and final lie is that on Instagram is a reliable source of passive income. This myth can be damaging because it sets people up for disappointment. While Instagram can be a lucrative way to earn money, it's not a passive source of income. Creating high-quality content, engaging with the audience, and converting your followers into customers take time and effort. One of the most shocking lies that many people believe is that making money on Instagram is easy and that all you need to do is post some pretty pictures and money will start rolling in. But the reality is that earning on Instagram takes time, effort, and persistence. It's not a get-rich scheme, and it's not something that will happen overnight. I've spoken to many people misled by this myth and have felt frustrated and disappointed when they didn't see the expected results. The truth is that making money on Instagram takes hard work and dedication, building a loyal audience, creating high quality content, and finding the right monetization strategies take time. It takes effort to stay consistent, engage with the audience, and continuously improve your strategy, but the payoff is worth it. When you put in the time, the effort, you can earn full-time income on Instagram and live the life you've always dreamed of. So let's recap the 5 lies. We've discussed today, from needing 1 million followers to making a full-time income to thinking an affiliate marketing is a get-rich scheme, to believing that making money on Instagram is only for influencers. Remember, making money on Instagram takes time and effort and persistence. It's not get-rich-quick scheme, and it won't happen overnight. Thank you for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you fallen victim to any of these common lies about Instagram earning strategies? Let me know below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on how to make money on Instagram. This is Scott. Peace out.